This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Kia Rio, stock number 6799. This ran from the 8th 2011 to the 11th 2016. It has a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard, no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate 1 dent, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right hand door mirror, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front guard, right front headlight, right front door guard, right front master switch, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,